Hi ma'am. Last 3 levels, it was a huge success actually. Our children are seeing many benefits. And we are waiting for level 4. So this is going to be a new experience actually. We are waiting to get that vibrant energy from our Japan team as well as our CEO, founder, Mr. and Mrs. Emmy. So catch you soon.
We have our level 3 trainer Indrani ma'am. So tell me ma'am, how excited are you?
This level I think it's going to be a bit challenging, but with our team support we will be able to do it. We can do it.